Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tiny piñata. First you'll need toilet roll tube, then you'll need a prick stick, then you'll need some toilet roll, then some string and some nice fabrics. Let's go! Okay, so first you start with your toilet roll and you need to get your prick stick and glue that around. Well, I need to secure mine first because it is not. So take that all around and then close that. Get your toilet roll. Get about 2 pieces. So here's 1 there and 2. Fold it up. Oop. Had a little rip there. And then get this. Get your string. And then you'll need to get some scissors. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Get your scissors. Get a bit of string. Maybe about that length. There. Then get your string, tie it, nice knot. Let's see, I'm horrible at knots, so I'll see you in a sec when I'm done. Okay, I finally made a nice little knot. It's not coming undone. And then you put that through like this. So it's like a little basket. And then grab that, squish it around your glue and hold it down for a bit. Okay, once you've done that, see how I've done it? And then it should hang a bit. Then you'll go get some candy. So I'll be back with some candy which I can eat, and then you'll put it through this hole. Okay, here I've got squashies. Open that packet. Come on. Open up. Do not put any of your fabrics on this bit by this string because you're going to want to pull that string so then it opens up. Okay, I am done. I've decorated mine. Yours looked better. This was just a really quick one I did. I just added these little bubbly flowers and put some purple bit of this stuff around it, so it now looks a bit like this. You can decorate it however you want. It doesn't have to be like mine, but you can copy mine if you like it or not, or if you wanted to try doing a long one or something. You could have any ones, like you could have spring ones, Halloween, anything you want. Snowman, and you can add ice and just do anything. Decorate it how you like. Yours would be probably better than mine because I've just rushed mine. So this is mine, and when you pull it, things like candy should come out. So I'll give it a wee test. You can give yours a test. I'm probably gonna save this for my sister, and you can watch her pull it open when she comes back from her stagecoach. She'll probably want you. Yahoo!